Hey guys, it's Beth Boyson with Boysenberry Soaps, and today I'm just going to give you a quick update on the silicone mold making. I've gone through it. Apparently the first time I made it perfectly. So I've had a couple of trials and errors since then. I've been trying to make these molds all day. I've had a bunch of fails. This one in particular is pretty bad. And then these are all sticky and thin in here. So the real trick to these, you want to make sure that you knead the silicone in the water quite a bit until it starts turning into a more clay-like consistency. If you put the silicone on the items too soon, it will be sticky inside and it will not work. So these are starting to firm up already. They're really great. These are only like 30 minutes out of the thing. But yeah, this is how much one tube of silicone caulk makes. So yeah, I've got some strawberries and blueberries in here, and then some things I made out of clay. I'm going to be showing you some more on how to do this in the future. This is a unicorn horn that I made, and then there's some cherries and stuff like that in here. So yeah, that's just my little quick update video. I'm going to go ahead and upload this, and I'm not even going to put my bumper on it. Alright, I'm going to have some new videos out soon. I'm very sorry for the hiatus. I had finals at school, so. Alright, thank you so much. If you like my channel, please subscribe, give me a like, comment down below. Alright, bye!